Turkey. What just popped into your mind? It's probably something like this. Did I guess right? You're not alone here. Turkey's always been associated with the holidays and beloved but slightly bland dishes. But that's starting to change because people are starting to demand more of their food. And Dakota 44 is here to satisfy that demand. From now on, this is what we want people to think of when they hear the word turkey. Or this. So we're rolling out a line of head-turning, hunger-inducing meals, snacks, and apps inspired by 3 big consumer demands: bolder flavor, greater ease, and more transparency. Where other poultry products fall short, only Dakota 44 delivers artisan experiences that appeal to everyone. Dakota 44. Consider it crafted.